Hello everyone, this is Dr. Nidhi, and today I'll be sharing with you some remedies and measures you all can take during COVID-19. Every day we hear people talk about boosting your immunity or boost your immune system, but let me tell you that boosting your immunity is not one day process. You need to follow a complete regimen of healthy eating habits and healthy lifestyle to boost your immunity over time. So in this video, I'll be talking about food and lifestyle, what you should take during COVID-19. Let us talk about lifestyle first. First thing is that your sleeping hours and your waking hours. You should never keep awake late during the night. Sleep well on time. Take 8 hours sleep properly. And second thing is that you should not sleep immediately after taking meals in the afternoon. Why you should not sleep in afternoon? Because when we sleep immediately after taking our lunch or meals, our metabolism gets slower. So if we sleep, food will not get digested properly and it will create toxins in the form of uric acid or bad cholesterol and things like that. Secondly, include walk in your daily routine. You should walk at least for 15 minutes every day. This is the minimum limit I'm telling you. It is very good if you can walk more. Now we have talked about not sleeping during the day, taking regular walk, and what you can do for COVID is when you wake up in the morning, you can do Kaval or Gandush Dharan. What are these processes in Ayurveda? You just put water in your mouth, hold it there, spit out, or put water in your mouth, rinse your mouth with it, and spit out. Then you can go for saline gargles twice a day with lukewarm water, put little bit salt and do gargles. That is about lifestyle. And now let us talk about food. What food you should avoid and what food you should include. First thing is eat fresh, eat healthy, eat your homemade food. Second is include vitamin C, zinc and vitamin D. These tablets are easily available in market in combination of vitamin C and zinc, and vitamin D you can take separately with milk once per week. And you can use decoctions. Decoction is a very good measure. It is even recommended by Ayush. And in decoction, you have to take certain spices which are easily available at your home. One is mulethi. You can take clove, cinnamon, and you can take giloy. Then you can take elaichi. You can take lemongrass. Lemongrass is a very good herbal ingredient. It fights flu, fever, cold, throat irritability, and symptoms like that. So you can include lemongrass. You can take decoction as a warm tea, adding little jaggery or honey with few lemon drops as per your taste. Keep yourself well hydrated. Keeping your body hydrated is a must to do thing. And lastly, you can take Chyawanprash. It is equally good for children also. And if there are any diabetic people in your family, you can go for sugar-free Chyawanprash. So this was all about food and lifestyle during the COVID times. Now, precisely, I'll be telling you something about seasons. Like this is autumn season and upcoming season is winter. So what regimen you should follow in autumn and what in winters. So basically what happens in autumn is that your acid level or what we call pith, it is increased in your body. So mainly you suffer with acidity, or if anybody is having arthritis, you will be having more pain in this season. And if anybody is having asthmatic problems, they'll get increased during this season. So you should take precautions for that. Should eat laghu ahar. Laghu ahar is easily digestible food which you can digest easily. And for the winters are really meant for eating. So like whatever is your favorite food, you can take that in winter. You can take food cooked in ghee, you can take pakoras, deep fried things, or heavy meals. Like winters are meant for eating. So your body metabolism is really strong during winters, and you can digest whatever you eat. And if you eat less during winters, that also creates a problem. So like in winters, you can go for your gajar ka halwa and things like that. So that was for the precisely for the seasons, and hope you all find this video useful and you enjoyed listening to it.